Let's take a look at the split screen mode. So you can see the 360 image that I'm in right now. If we look at the top left, you can see that this was captured. This is the north side of the building, and it was captured on October 15th, 2022. In order to look at time travel, we can see that in this area of the building, there's one static holobuilder capture, or one manual holobuilder capture, and two video modes. So the video walk went close to this location, and if I want to see over time, I can look at the different dates. The one that we're currently in is October 15th, 2022, and I want to look at the video walk that was captured on November 29th, 2022. I can just simply click on that. And if you notice on the mini map, we now have a video walk shown. So the video walk trajectory is available so that we can see the path that was walked, and we can also see the position relative to any static images that were captured. So in this mode, you can see the trajectory is shown within the 360 view. So you can just simply follow the trajectory to see the path that was walked, or you can pick the points from the mini map. So to look at this one over time here, click the down button, and I'm going to go to the video walk. There's only two that were in this vicinity. So we want to look at the video mode walk that was captured on April 20th of 2023. And you'll see we're roughly in the same location, but the trajectory, this is showing me the trajectory of the walk that was captured on this date. So you can see the drywall is in. So just looking at the view again, let's just flip back, and you can see the framing is complete at this point. Now, if you want to look at these side by side, you can activate the split screen view. Now you see we're seeing the same view for this, and we're looking at this from a side by side comparison over time, so we can really see the progress that was made. Now, when you're in split screen view, notice that on the right hand side, you've got the time travel drop down. You've got the option to see the 360 and the point cloud, but the model view is grayed out. If you do have a model that's uploaded, you only have the ability to see that on the left hand panel. So let's jump into the different modes here so we can compare them. Right now we're comparing the 360 photo to 360 photo. If I want to go into the point cloud, I'm now comparing the 360 image to the scan data. And I can also, in this case, bring up the model and compare the model to the scan data. So we're sort of looking at this here, and we can see what's yet to be installed in this area. You can also look at this over time. So I want to look at this against a different point cloud. So I want to see this as it was captured when the framing was complete. So with the split screen, we can not only compare the point cloud and the model and the 360s against each other, but we can also compare them against each other over time.